Hello everybody, welcome back to Initial Solution. In this video, I will show you how to use Adobe Generative AI feature. So let's get started the video. To use the Adobe Generative AI feature, open your web browser and go to the Adobe Firefly website. Scroll down a bit and click on the Generate button in the Generative Fill section. Now click Upload Image to upload your photo. You can change the background by clicking Select Background. Then describe what you want to generate in the prompt input. Click Generate to start. Adobe Firefly AI will provide you with 4 options. To save your image, click the Download button in the top right corner. If you are not satisfied with the result, click the More button to generate new options. To finish your current edit, click the Keep button or click the Cancel button to create a new prompt. You can also edit an object in the photo. To do that, click the Remove button on the left side and click the Settings button to adjust the brush size. Now remove the object from the image. After that, click the Insert button and type your prompt for this generative fill command. Now let's add a new object to the photo using Adobe's Generative AI. Click the Remove button and select the brush size from the Settings menu. Remove some areas in the photo, making sure the shape matches the object you want to add. Click Insert to open the prompt menu and type your prompt. Click Generate to start adding the new object to your photo. And there you have it. I hope this video helped you out. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.